Are you tired of massive, noisy desktop towers taking up half of your precious desk space? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to get raw, uncompromised desktop-class performance in a machine that is barely larger than your smartphone? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, we are taking an exclusive, in-depth look at the brand new 2026 edition of the GEEKOM AI A7 Max Mini PC. Now, I know exactly what some of you are probably thinking right now. You might think this is just another basic, underpowered mini computer that is only good for checking emails, typing up Word documents, or casually browsing the web. But I am here to tell you today that you could not be more wrong. This tiny, unassuming beast is packing the ultra-powerful AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor under the hood. It features incredibly fast AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics, and wait for it, because this is the best part, fully upgradable DDR5 memory. If you are a professional video editor slicing through heavy 4K footage, a music producer juggling dozens of high-fidelity audio tracks, a hardcore gamer wanting to play with your friends, or just someone who demands top-tier, reliable computing performance without all the ugly cable clutter, this might just be the ultimate machine you have been waiting for. Before we dive into the deep end of these incredible specifications and see what this thing can really do, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the affiliate link in the description below. That link will take you directly to Amazon, where you can find the absolute best, most current pricing on the GEEKOM A7 Max. Trust me, you're going to want to keep an eye on this one, so let's get right into the review. Let's kick things off by talking about the overall design and the build quality, because GEEKOM has absolutely nailed the aesthetics on this model. The A7 Max comes in a stunning, pristine white colorway. It features a beautifully minimalist style that feels incredibly premium to the touch. It does not look like a cheap plastic toy. It looks like a high-end piece of professional equipment. Whether you were planning on placing this in a modern home office, a high-tech studio environment, an educational setting, or even a flashy gaming setup, it is going to blend in perfectly and actually elevate the look of your desk. But what's truly mind-blowing about this device are the physical dimensions. We are talking about a total footprint of just 5.47 inches by 5.2 inches and a thickness of only 1.71 inches. To put that into perspective for you, it's actually smaller than a standard computer mouse pad. You can literally disconnect the power cable and the HDMI cord, throw this immensely powerful machine right into your daily backpack, and take your entire high-end workstation with you wherever you go. Despite its impossibly tiny size, it utilizes a highly efficient active air cooling system. This method ensures that the system runs incredibly cool and whisper quiet, even when you're pushing it to its absolute limits under heavy workloads. There is no annoying fan whine to ruin your audio recordings or distract you from your work. And speaking of efficiency, the A7 Max only draws about 54 watts. When you compare that to a traditional desktop rig that can easily pull upwards of 500 watts, the energy savings on your electricity bill over time are absolutely massive. Now, let's transition into the brains of the operation and talk about what makes the GEEKOM AI A7 Max an undeniable powerhouse that punches way above its class weight. Right at the heart of this mini PC is the phenomenal AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor. For those watching who might not be massive tech nerds, let me break down exactly what that means for your daily use. This is a top-tier, enthusiast-grade CPU. We are looking at a massive 8 cores and 16 processing threads, combined with a maximum boost clock speed of a blistering 5.2 gigahertz. On top of that, it has 24 megabytes of installed cache memory. What does this mean for you in the real world? It means absolutely zero lag. None. Whether you were batch processing hundreds of high-resolution RAW photos, compiling complex code, or just juggling 30 different Google Chrome tabs while running heavy Microsoft Office applications, this processor handles every single task without breaking a single sweat. Furthermore, as the word AI in the A7 Max name proudly suggests, this specific Ryzen chip is purpose-built to handle modern artificial intelligence workloads. If you were using AI-assisted tools like generative fill in Photoshop, auto framing in Premiere Pro, or if you're interested in running local AI language models directly on your hardware for extreme privacy, the built-in neural processing unit natively accelerates those tasks. This takes the load off the main processor and saves you massive amounts of valuable time when creating content. But, as we all know, a great processor is absolutely nothing without great graphics to back it up. You might naturally think that because this is a mini PC with no room for a massive graphics card, you are going to be stuck with terrible, laggy visuals. Well, I am thrilled to tell you to think again. The A7 Max is equipped with the integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics coprocessor. Let me be perfectly clear about this. The 780M is currently one of the most powerful and capable integrated graphics solutions available on the entire market right now. For digital creators, this translates to silky smooth timeline playback when editing demanding 4K video, and incredibly fast rendering times for complex audio and visual projects. For the gamers out there watching this, the Radeon 780M is nothing short of a revelation. While it obviously is not going to replace a $2,000 dedicated desktop graphics card, it easily and smoothly plays popular esports titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, and League of Legends at exceptionally high frame rates. You can even comfortably play heavy single-player titles at 1080p resolution with medium to low settings and get a completely enjoyable experience. It completely redefines what a computer of this miniature size is capable of doing. To check out specific gaming benchmarks and see exactly what frame rates people are getting, I highly recommend clicking that Amazon link in the description to see what other verified buyers are saying in their reviews. Now we arrive at the absolute best feature, the one that personally sold me on the GEEKOM A7 Max, and exactly why I think it completely destroys the competition. In the mini PC world, many manufacturers solder their RAM directly to the motherboard to save a few millimeters of space and cut production costs. That means whatever amount of memory you buy on day one is exactly what you were stuck with forever. Not with GEEKOM. This unit comes straight out of the box with 16 gigabytes of blazing fast DDR5 RAM running at an incredible speed of 5600 MHz. Notice that I emphasize DDR5 and not LPDDR. This is a crucial, game-changing distinction. It means the memory uses standard SO-DIMM slots and is completely upgradable by the user. If 16 gigabytes eventually isn't enough for your heavy video editing workflows or intensive multitasking, you can easily open up the bottom of the chassis and upgrade the memory yourself, all the way up to a staggering maximum size of 128 gigabytes of RAM. That is absolute insanity for a PC this small. On the storage side, it comes equipped with a super fast 1 terabyte solid-state drive, giving you lightning-fast boot times for the pre-installed Windows 11 Pro operating system. And just like the system memory, the solid-state storage is fully expandable. This incredible level of future-proofing ensures that the A7 Max will comfortably last you for many years to come. A workstation is truly only as good as its connectivity, and GEEKOM has absolutely loaded the perimeter of this tiny box with a massive array of ports. In total, you get an incredible 8 USB ports. This impressive selection includes a lightning-fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and not one, but 2 massive USB 4 ports. USB 4 is an absolute game-changer for professionals, offering mind-boggling data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second. This means you can seamlessly connect ultra-fast external SSDs for video editing, massive data hubs, or even an external graphics card enclosure if you decide you want to turn this tiny PC into a dedicated gaming beast down the line. Let's also talk about your display options. The A7 Max features 2 standard HDMI 2.0 ports on the back, and those Type-C and USB 4 ports also fully support high-quality video output. This means you can actually run up to 4 individual monitors simultaneously from this one tiny box. Both the HDMI and Type-C ports support crisp 4K resolution at a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and those powerful USB 4 ports can even drive a massive 8K display. Naturally, it comes completely equipped with top-of-the-line Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technologies, alongside a standard Ethernet LAN port, ensuring a perfectly synced and lag-free wireless experience for all your compatible devices, like wireless keyboards, mice, headphones, and smartphones. So, bringing it all together, who is the GEEKOM 2026 edition AI A7 Max actually built for? It is the perfect solution for almost everyone out there. Whether you are a dedicated content creator needing a compact video editing beast, a busy professional looking for a quiet, reliable office setup, a student needing a powerhouse for dorm life, or an everyday user who wants a lightning-fast daily driver without sacrificing precious desk space, this mini PC delivers perfectly on every single front. With the unadulterated computing power of the Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, the significant graphical bump from the Radeon 780M, the incredible connectivity of USB 4, and the massive benefit of fully upgradable DDR5 memory, this is hands down one of the very best investments you can make for your entire tech setup this year. If you are finally ready to ditch that massive dusty desktop tower and step into the future of computing, I have placed a direct Amazon link right down in the description box and in the pinned comment below. Clicking that link ensures you get the absolute best, most up-to-date pricing available, and it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews just like this one. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.